Gusto ko lang pakita sa inyo etong dinevelop natin na serrated knife. Ayan, o. Tignan nyo? Chef Jean Kitchen Pro yan. Oh, yan. Serrated knife. You know, you always have to remember, a good and decent serrated bread knife should be able to carve through crusty pieces of bread, kahit na anong tigas na rye bread, French bread, at saka kahit na gaano kalambot na tinapay, kayang-kaya niyang putulin. It should be able to cut and slice through bread, slice squishy tomatoes, o kahit na malambot na saging. And easily, you know, yung mga iba-ibang texture, yung mga triple deck na clubhouse sandwich, dapat kayang-kaya niya. Kayang-kaya po nito. Kasi nakailang testing tayo ng iba-ibang serrated knife. Ito ang pinili ko, kahit na soft buns, kayang-kaya. Makikita nyo, kahit na may layering o may frosting yung cake, kaya, sisiw po. So this is the Kitchen Pro serrated knife, and this is one of our very good sellers. And you know, if you want to have a knife like this, all you have to do is come to Cafe Isabel, to our outlet shop, and you can buy this, okay, at good prices. Also, you can shop online. You can go to kitchenpro.collections, okay, kitchenpro.com.ph shop, and Kitchen Pro Last Mall, okay, or Kitchen Pro Shopee Mall. Pumunta lang po kayo doon and order this online, and I'll show you. Tingnan nyo, kayang-kaya yan, oh. Ito yung ating demo unit na banana cake. Okay? So medyo ginawa natin kaninang umaga yan. And see how beautiful. Nipisan natin. Gawin nating manipis. Oh. Okay. Gawin natin malapad. You can see how beautiful this serrated knife can slice through. Wow. Huh? And you can only get this quality with the Kitchen Pro signature na in-approve ko.